Hi guys, today I came to the Batang Lupar ferry area and I'm waiting for the ferry. The ferry will start at 9 a.m. but the water level is really high. You can see this mangrove and some of the structures here, they are submerged in water, and you can see water is coming and waves are forming. This area has been flooded. It was raining from night, and in the morning you can see the scary river. Huge waves of water are coming inside and flooding the area. All these cars, they are queuing here for the ferry. I can see the ferry is coming. And these shops are still closed. So I have already shown you what's going on in this area. Because of heavy rain, the water level increased and this river formed a scary attitude, you can say, and people are all waiting here to get a ferry ride and go to Maludam.